We're still waiting for the Merlin to take flight. He's been sitting on top of the light here hunting both sides of the road. He's watching. Got fields on both sides. Definitely hoping to see him take off. He's got good weather today. Not much of a breeze, and it's not raining. Could get a little rain later on this afternoon, so the Merlin's hunting at the proper time. We're about halfway between Kent, Washington and Tukwila, Washington. Boeing Aerospace facility, and our Merlin is on the hunt. We make our rounds every day. It's been about 2 weeks since we've seen this one, or 3 even, so we're all excited about it. Big flock of starlings are not working the field today, and if they were, he'd be right on them. So looks like he's just going to kind of observe and wait for the opportunity. Seems fairly content. We had a pedestrian walk under his pole there on the sidewalk. He didn't even fly, so. Dedicated to his perch here. Like I say, he's got a field in front of him and in back of him, so he's checking out both sides of the road. It's a good looking Merlin. Okay, now he may take off. He relieved himself. Usually when they take off. Scratch up for us a little bit again. Clean up his talons and his feet. Preen up just a little bit. See if this one relocates. We're down by the Boeing indoor tennis court. Off of 68th Avenue South, Kent, Washington. Oh yeah, watching Bobby's head now. Looking over at me. I'm using my window mount. I'm sitting in the car, so it doesn't disturb the bird. Looks like it's going to sit here for a little bit longer. Not quite ready to go yet. Just checking things out. You never know when they're going to fly. It's always as soon as you turn off the camera. We'll try it.